Nilagrivaaya cha Shrikanthaya cha Namah Kapardine cha Vyuktakeshaya cha Namah Sahasrat Shaya cha Sadadanvane cha Namo Girishaya cha Shikivishaya cha Namo Nidustamaya cha Sumate cha Namo Ohrashvaya cha Vamanaya cha Namo Priyate cha Parshiyase cha Namo Vridhaya cha Samvridvane cha Namo Agriyaya cha Prathamaya cha Nama Ashave cha Jiraya cha Namah Shigriyaya cha Shibhyaya cha Namah Purnyaya cha Vasvanyaya cha Namah Srotasyaya cha Dvipyaya cha Namo Jeshaya cha Kanishaya cha Namah Purvajaya cha Parajaya cha Namo Madhyamaya cha Pavalvaya cha Namo Chakanjaya cha Budnyaya cha Namah Jaya cha Pratisaryaya cha Namo Yamyaya cha Kshemyaya cha Namah Purvajaya cha Hilyaya cha Namah Shokayaya cha Pasanyaya cha Namo Vanyaya cha Kakshaya cha Namo Shavaya cha Pratishravaya cha Namah Ashushenaya cha Ashurataya cha Namah Shuraya cha Mapindate cha Namo Varmine cha Varutine cha Namo Bilvine cha Kavachine cha Namah Shrutaya cha Shrutasenaya cha Namo Dunrupyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Prameshaya cha Namo Dutaya cha Prahitaya cha Namo Nishangine Sutimate cha Namasti Ksheshave cha Yudhine cha Namah Swayudhaya cha Sudhanvane cha Namah Srotaya cha Yatyaya cha Namah Katyaya cha Nipyaya cha Namah Sutyaya cha Sarasyaya cha Namo Nadyaya cha Vaishantaya cha Namah Kupyaya cha Vatyaya cha Namo Varshaya cha Varshaya cha Namo Mehyaya cha Vidyutyaya cha Namo Trikaya cha Tapkaya cha Namo Vahyaya cha Reshmiyaya cha Namo Vastavhyaya cha Vastupaya cha Hara Hara Namah Somaya cha Rudraya cha Namastamraya cha Arunaya cha Namah Shangaya cha Vasupataye cha Namah Ugraya cha Bhimaya cha Namo Agre Vadaya cha Dure Vadaya cha Namo Hantre cha Haniyase cha Namo Kebhyo Harikeshebhyo Namastaraya Namah Shambhave cha Mayobhave cha Namah Shankaraya cha Mayaskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Shivataraya cha Namah Sirtyaya cha Kulyaya cha Namah Paryaya cha Varyaya you take all that stuff to the kitchen and wash it. Shprataranaya Chotaranaya Chanamatarya Chaladhyaya Chanama Shattaya Chaphinyaya Chanamassikatyaya Chapravahyaya Cha Nama Irinyaya cha Prapatyaya cha Namah Kigumshilaya cha Kshayanaya cha Namah Kapardine cha Pulustaye cha Namo Shaya cha Krishyaya cha Namastalpyaya cha Gekhyaya cha Namah Kartyaya cha Gahvareshtaya cha Namo Hridayaya cha Naveshkyaya cha Namah Pagum Savyaya cha Rajasyaya cha Namah Suskaya cha Harityaya cha Namo Lopyaya Cholapyaya cha Namah Uryaya cha Surmyaya cha Namah Panyaya cha Parnashadhyaya cha Namo Paguramamaya cha Vignate cha Namaha Kidate cha Prakidate cha Namo Vakkirikebhyo Devanagum Hridayebhyo Namo Vikchinakebhyo Namo Vichinvakkebhyo Nama Anirvatebhyo Nama Ami Vakkebhyaha Drapeyanga Saspate Daridra Nila Lohita Esham Purushanam Esham Pashunam Abherma Romo Esham Kinchinam Amate Yate Rudra Shivatano Shiva Vishvaha Veshaji Chame Vapritas Chame Swagakaras Chame Agnischame Karmaschame Erkaschame Suryaschame Chame Jaschame Suryaschame Prithvichame Ditischame Dyaschame Shagvari Rangula Yodishashchame Yakena Kalpantam Rikchame Samajame Stomaschame Yajushame Dikshachame Tapaschamarutuschame Ritamjame Horatriyo Hor Rishtrat Brihadra Tantarechame Yakena Kalpetam. Of course we have the Meru Shri Yantra, the three-dimensional Shri Yantra carved in the green jade stone from India, and we've created the yantra here with colored rice we've used. And so before you all came, we did the Navavarana Puja. Nava means 9, Avarana means enclosure, basically. And so they say you can worship any of the forms of God in the Shri Yantra. You can invoke Ganesh and worship there. That's fine. You can worship Shiva, Vishnu, Swami Ayappa, Jesus, whatever form of the divine, they say, because this is a yantra of the cosmos. The whole universe, all the different possible energies are contained within this yantra. And so there's a procedure that takes several hours of worshipping the Shri yantra. And first there are a lot of mantras for invoking the goddess into the body and meditating on the yantra relating the different parts of the body. And then there are mantras in the different triangles and petals for different aspects of God as the Divine Mother that are invoked here in this yantra. And so before you all came, we did the Navavarana Puja. In the 9 different, they divide the Shri yantra into 9 enclosures. There's the square part. There's the one layer of lotus petals, another layer of 8 lotus petals, 16 on the outside, on the inside is the 8, and then these different groups of triangles. It's a very complex yantra to draw. So complex, in fact, there's not really usually mathematical calculations given for drawing it, because too complex to tell that. Instead, they say approximate. Try to draw this, and then if it's wrong, which it usually is, then you've got to change to make the lines meet up. You start with some lines like these. And then as you draw these intersecting lines, they should meet up with the other, where the triangles are crossing and that kind of thing. If it doesn't meet up, you've got to change it. This one we had to change several times. It's a difficult yantra to draw. It's a very powerful practice. And so we drew the yantra here, we filled in with the rice, we've done the Navavarana Puja, then we did the Abhishekam with the milk, bathing the goddess in the Meru Shri yantra here. And so now we'll do the chanting of the Gayatri mantra of Goddess Shakambhari Devi, like we do every Wednesday. And so there's mantras there. If people want to look at that and listen or chant along, you're welcome to do whatever you're comfortable to do. And then as we start that, we'll also light these candles.
Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi prachodayate. Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi prachodayate. Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi prachodayate. Om Narayanye yate. Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi prachodayate. Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi prachodayate. Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi prachodayate. Om Narayanye cha vidmahe Shakambharye cha dhimahi Tanno Devi